Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add yellow strikeout to text in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Select file option and select here open this site. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find the underline down arrow. Click here, and this is strikeout or cross out option. Select here and drag your mouse cursor and select your text or you want to apply strike out. This green color is strike out default color now showing here. Now click on this properties icon, this right sidebar, and here you will find this default yellow color. Also you can click on this color option and you can add color pen and this more color option and this custom color, and here you can add your desired or expected color, yellow color on this one, and see this, and this color opacity, and see this. Again click on this yellow color and select here strike out and select your text and see this. In this way you can add yellow color strike out on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.